Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening YouTube and signing in. This ensures your queue persists during the session. Play any video so the mini player or bottom bar appears. Once the player is active, locate the three-dot menu on thumbnails or right-click the video. Select Add to Queue or Play Next. Do this immediately for the first few items because the queue builds from the currently playing video. This is the only built-in method to create an ephemeral, session-based queue quickly. Once you have a playing video, keep adding items the same way. Search results, recommended lists, and channel pages all offer the three-dot menu. Make sure to add one video at a time. There is no universal drag to reorder on every device, so reorder by removing and re-adding when necessary. To see what's next, open the bottom player queue. It displays the current order. If you want permanence, save the queue to a playlist. Otherwise, remember it's session-based. To finish, either let the queue play through or save it to a playlist for later use. Saving converts the ephemeral list into a permanent one. If your queue disappears, first reload the page or reopen the mini player. This often restores it. If that fails, sign out and sign back in or clear the browser cache, then re-add videos. These steps fix most glitches because they refresh session data. Remember, save if you want the order kept beyond the current session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.